Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete a place on Life360, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your Life360 app. Once the app is open, you will be able to see this kind of interface right there in your mobile phone. So what you gotta do is, for that purpose, is you will simply go ahead, go to this section of your mobile phone and find this your username, including the people and the places beside. Simply go ahead, tap on that places option given, and now you can see there are options given. So if you have, for example, added any of the places that you want to remove, you can simply go ahead. So for example, if this is the one, tap on that one, and now you can see this is the location that we have added. So if you want to delete this, what you can do is you can see this delete place below option given over there. Tap on that option, and this will again ask for the permission to confirm. Tap on this yes option, and that place will be removed for the entire circle of your Life360. So yes guys, this is the very easy way you can do it. If you got another locations places added here in this category, you can do the same with that as well. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.